Hello everyone, how are you today? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Well, now I want to read some article about these stocks. Leads Wall Street lower breaking winning streak. Wall Street gave us a copy week of trading Friday with a broad slide for stock that left major indexes in the red for the week. The S&P 500 closes 1.3% lower, breaking a 4-week winning streak, shared in more than 80% of the companies in the benchmark index fell, with technology stock driving much of the pullback. The tech-heavy Nasdaq Composite fell 2%, and also in these 4 weeks of gains. The Dow Jones Industrial Average dropped 0.9%, ending slightly in the red for the week. Small company stocks all splashed around, pulling the Russell 2000 index 2% lower. Friday marked the heaviest selling for the market, including the S&P 500's biggest decline in more than 7 weeks. After a solid run of weekly gains, the stock market rally in July and early August followed better than expected companies' earnings and seeing that the economy is slowing possible, setting the stage for less aggressive rate hikes. The Federal Reserve's main tool for taming surging inflation. Minutes from the central bank interest rate policy meeting last month and recent statements by Fed officials appears to signal that the Fed may not prepare the to relent just yet from its pace of rate increases, said Quincy Crosby, chief equity strategist for LPL Financial. Despite the market notice that perhaps these markets might have to contest with a Fed that continues to raise rates on a steady pace and purpose does not pause and takes its foot off the pedal, she said. This gave traders the perfect excuse to finally begin to burn off some of the market's recent gains. The S&P 500 fell 55 points to 4,327 in this with 1-2% loss for the week and is now down 11% so far this year. Technology stock has some of the biggest losses in the sector this week, hit heavily on the broader markets. Microsoft still 1.4%. Retailers, banks, and communications companies all fell sharply amid the broad slide. Members of Bed and Beyond saying 40% after the high-profile activist investor Ryan Cohen confirms that he sold his stake in the company. Cryptocurrency fell worse as Bitcoin sold of 8%, according to the Coindesk. Break what included General Motors, which rose to 5% after restarting its dividends. Foot Locker sold 20% after replacing its CEO and reporting earnings that beat Wall Street estimates. Bond yield units grown, reflecting expectation of further interest rate hikes. The yield on the 10-year Treasury rose to 2% from 2% late Tuesday. Traders had no shortage of company and economic data to review this week, including the latest batch of earnings from retailers and updates on spending, home sales, and the employment market. Big retailers, including Walmart and Target, have warned investors and that inflation is crimping consumer spending. Department store owners will report its results next week. A report on retail sales this week shows that spending remains resilient and gasoline prices fall and help ease some pressure from inflation. Maybe just enough for me. I'm sorry for mistake. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.